Hello friends, hope all you are fine and doing good. Welcome to SNE Family Sarkar Naukri Express. Here you can get regular verified government job updates. So here in this video we are going to see the Navaratna Public Sector Enterprise recruitment. So before that I need to put a request to the viewers that kindly subscribe, like, dislike or comment us. Okay, so since we are new in this arena, we need your support with immense pleasure. So we are struggling with your support. So hope you know our quality of giving only regular verified government job updates with the direct links in the description box. So we are not giving the links of any blogspot.com or any other external websites. We are explicitly giving the direct links under the description box. Okay, let me proceed up with the video. So the recruitment process was being called by NBCC India Limited, which is a Navaratna enterprise. Okay, so it's not the Navaratna oil which we will use. So just for kidding I mentioned. So for the viewers who doesn't know about Navaratna, so who are new to the job arena, that is once you have completed your degree, if you are new to the job arena, you might not have known about the Navaratna. So kindly search about Navaratna and then Triratna, Mini Ratna, so what and all, so how they are being classified and on what basis they are being classified. Since you know this, you can expand your knowledge base, and since they might have asked any question about this, because you need to know about the industry, the sector especially. So in the interview process they might ask a question, they might. Okay, let us proceed up with the video. So the recruitment process was happening in NBCC India Limited. So for the post of project manager, management trainee in the engineering streams of civil and then electrical, so and then project manager and then a senior stenographer and then office assistant, the total number of vacancy was about 70, and the start of application date was 9th December. So today 25th November, so we are updating the recruitment process very early. So and when it comes to the last date of application, it was 8th January 2022. So when it comes to the job location, it was in Delhi. So and the selection process for this recruitment was through the written examination and then followed by the interview process. So this is the official website. So and this is the notification for your reference, guys. So when it comes to the vacancies split up, for project manager it was about 10. So this is the vacancy which we are been focusing of, that is this 40 plus 15, because most of the viewers might be the freshers categories. Okay, so the management trainee in the civil as well as electrical, we are having about 55 vacancies. Okay, so kindly apply without fail and kindly prepare for the examination, since the application end date itself coming under the 2022. You have better time for preparing this particular exam. So since if you need any details about the examination details, how they're going to conduct the exam and in what basis they're going to ask the questions, kindly let us know in the comment section so that we make a detailed video separately. Okay, so next when it comes to project manager, it was only one vacancy, and stenographer it was only one, and office assistant it was about 3 vacancies, total 70 vacancies. And when it comes to the examination fee, it was about 500 rupees for the general candidates, and for SC, ST, PWD and departmental candidates it was nil, so they need not pay for this recruitment process. So when it comes to the maximum age criteria limit, so for project manager it was around 33 years, and for management trainee 29 years, and for management trainee again the same thing for both civil as well as electrical branches. So when it comes to the project manager, so for general and economic weaker section it was 47 years, for OBC it was 50 years, for SC and ST the 52 years was being fixed. So when it comes to stenographer it was 28 years only. And when it comes to office assistant, it was 25 years for OBC. Okay, when it comes to the pay scale, so the pay scale was differed according to the various post called for the recruitment. For project manager, it was with a maximum scale of 1,60,000. When it comes to management trainee, it was 40,000 to 1,40,000. So this post is especially for freshers who have graduated. You can apply for this post. Kindly make note of it. Kindly make use of the opportunity. When it comes to project manager, it was 1,80,000 with the maximum pay. When it comes to stenographer, it was around 24k, and when it comes to office assistant, it was around 18k. So that's it, friends. We have provided every information detailedly. Kindly make use of the opportunity and apply for the application process without fail, since the application date also was ending in January 2022. So kindly make use of the opportunity with the remaining days. You have about 1 month, as well as in January also the date or been remaining was about 8 days, I think so. 8th January was the end date. Yeah, so kindly make use of this 1 month as well as 8 dates. Here also you have a 5 days remaining, so for preparing of the written examination, so that you can easily qualify for the management trainee post, especially in the terms of freshers. Thank you, thanks for watching. Kindly share the video to the freshers so who are looking for the job with the eligible qualifications of civil and electrical streams in engineering branches. Okay, thank you, thanks for watching.